Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today what we are going to do, we are going to start a new topic, that is place value. Okay, so today we will do place value, how to introduce place value to UKG and first class students. So let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, so we are going to do place value. PLACE, place value, PALU, and we are going to do this place value. Okay, I'm going to write some numbers in front of you, that is 2 and 3, then 5 and 4. Okay, these two numbers are there, and I'm going to circle one over here and one over here. Okay, now you have to ask your child that 2 is at your which hand, it's towards which hand. That means it's towards your right hand side or it's at your left hand side. So your child will answer that 2 is at my left hand side. If your digit is at left hand side, that means it is tens place digit. Which place digit? Tens place digit. Hi Gaurav Singh. If the number is at your left hand side, that means it is a tens place. If the number is at your right hand side, the circle number is at your right hand side, that means it is a ones place. It is a ones place. So you have to make them clear about the place values in order to tell them that your left hand side has tens place value and your right hand side has ones place value. So the two concepts are clear here. First one is the place value concept and the second one is the right hand and left hand concept. Okay, because most of the students, most of the children are very confused in their right and left hands. Okay, so this is a very very easy technique to tell them the place values, to teach them the place values. Okay, and I hope this will be very easy for you to teach them also. Okay, so let's move ahead, how to give them some exercises to do this. Okay, so I'm going to share two types of exercises which you can do with your child, which your child can do. Just like, first one is, I'm going to give some numbers in front of you. I'm writing some numbers and then I'm going to circle some numbers, so that your child has to tell that what is the place value of that particular number. Okay, look, so I'm going to circle here 2, here 4, then 1, 2, 0, 5, 5 and 2. Now your child has to tell that the circle number is at his right hand side or at left hand side. According to that, he has to tell what is the place value of that particular number. Okay, so 2 is at left hand side, is at my left hand side, so it's a tens place. It's a tens place digit. And 4 is at my right hand side, so it's a ones place. 1 is again at my left hand side, so left hand side we always have tens place. 2 again is at my left hand side, and I know very well that at my left hand side I have tens place, right? Now look at the 0. 0 is at my right hand side, right? So 0 is at my right hand side, that means the place value of 0 is 1, right? 5 is at my right hand side, so at my right hand side the place value of 5 is 1. Now 5 is at my left hand side, that means the place value of 5 is 10. The place value of 5 is 10. Now here the place value of 2 is 1. Why it is 1? Because it is at my right hand side. Okay, so that's how you can teach your child. So this is the first exercise that you can share with your child and he will answer. The second one is, you have to give them some numbers like this. 55, 34, 63, 22, 79, 56, 43, 88. Let's say these are some numbers. Okay, now which type of exercise I'm going to show you? Just you have to put a blank and you have to write some tens and ones like this. So your child has to write that 2 is at tens place or ones place. So he has to write in front of that places. Okay. So this is the second exercise which you can give to your child. Okay. So that's how you have to give them. So let's get started. Come on, we have to do it fast because we have to do one more concept today. Okay, so here we have tens, here we have ones, here we have tens, and here we have ones, and here we have tens, and here we have ones. Okay, now 2 is at my left hand side, right? 2 is at my left hand side, so I know very well that at my left hand side I have which place value? I have tens place value. So in front of tens I will write 2, and 0 is at my right hand side, so 0 is at ones place because right hand side we have ones place value. So these all numbers are at my right hand side. So what I do, I'm going to these numbers at ones place because these all are at my right hand side. That's why I'm writing these numbers at ones place. And now these all numbers are at my left hand side, so these all comes in tens place, right? So I'm going to write all the numbers in tens place like this. Okay, this is the easiest way of teaching place values to your child. Okay, let's move ahead. Now what we have to do, we are going to do number names. Number names. And till now what we did up to 1 to 100, but now what we are going to do, we are going to move forward from 101 to 120. Today we will do it 101 to 120. So I'm just going to write some numbers first, then I will start writing the number names. Okay, so let's get started. So ONE1, HUNDRED 100, 101, ONE1. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, 2, TWO2, 102, 103. ONE1, 100, HUNDRED 100, 3, THREE 3. Now 104. ONE1, 100, HUNDRED 100, 4, FOUR 4. Now 105. So ONE1, 100, HUNDRED 100, 5, FIVE 5. Now 106. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, SIX 6. Now 107. ONE1, 100, HUNDRED 100, 7, SEVEN 7. ONE1, 100, HUNDRED 100, 8, EIGHT 8, 108. Now 109. ONE1, 100, HUNDRED 100, NINE 9. Now 10. 110. So ONE1, HUNDRED 100, TEN 10. Now you have to look here. Here I write ONE1, then here I write HUNDRED 100, and look here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 to 10 counting. So it's very easy, that 101, 102. So here we write 1 to 10 counting. Here we write only 100. Here we write only 111. So it's very easy for your child to learn this technique. Okay. Now let's do 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. So let's get started. So ONE 100, HUNDRED 100, 11 ELEVEN 11, 112 ONE 100, HUNDRED 100, 12 TWELVE 12, 113 ONE 100, HUNDRED 100, 13 THIRTEEN 13. Now 114 ONE 100, HUNDRED 100, 14 FOUR 4 TEEN 14. Now 115 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100, 15 FIFTEEN 15. Now 116 ONE 100 HUNDRED 100, 16 SIXTEEN 16. Now 117 ONE 100 HUNDRED 100, SEVEN 17 17, 117. Now 118 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100, 18 EIGHTEEN 18. 119 ONE 100 HUNDRED 100, 19 NINE TEEN 19. Now 120 ONE 100 HUNDRED 100, 20 TWENTY 20. So that's how you can teach your child the place values and the number names from 101 to 120. I hope this video is very really helpful for you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, so we will meet again. Till then, bye bye.